Well, it's Battlebox time again, and I just got this today. I've not opened it yet. I'm going to do a little bit different this time. We're going to open it together. So I think this is mission 86, but we'll find out coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. And as I said, we're going to take a look at this new battle box I just got today. So I've been a couple of months late on some of these. I'm trying to get this one on time. And I said I've not even opened this one yet. So we're going to do this a little different. I usually open them up and kind of see what's in there. We're going to open this up together and kind of do an unboxing video. And if you're not familiar with Battlebox, they're a subscription service where they have 4 different levels of service, and at every level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff in the box. And each boxes are mystery boxes, so you really don't know what you're going to get every month. But you also can go to the battlebox.com website, and there's no E in Battlebox, BATTLBOX. And you can buy a lot of this stuff individually on there. And you can save, I think it's 15 or 20% by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose. But you can check that out in the video description below for sure. So anyway, let me just go ahead and cut the old tape on here. Boom, it's a pretty good sized box here. And we'll see what's in here. You want to? Let me move my shooting bag, range bag here. Put this over here on the side. Kind of get out of the way and see what's in here. So first of all, got a mission brief, and I was right, it is mission 86. And this kind of tells you what's in here, and we'll see what is, this is April 2022. We're going to see what is in the packages here. So without any further rambling, let's get to it. So the first level is the basic box. Into basic box, this is what you're going to get in here. Let's see. We have got, man, this has got some cool stuff in here, I believe. Let's find here. I got to find it. Here we go. The first one is a M20 camping card multi-tool. Let's see. Tactic Gear PTY, and it has a rope tensioner. If I can pull it out of here, if I can get it open. Okay, here we go. Pretty neat. So it's got a rope tensioner, which you can use these little slots here for rope tensioner. It has an inch ruler, a tent peg puller, which is kind of right here. You can pull tent pegs with this side. This side is a rope cutter. It's got a little blade right there. You see that? That's a bottle opener, of course. It has a sundial, which is pretty interesting. That'd be interesting to see how that works. A little hole there. A little pry bar, a ferro rod fire starter that just disappeared on me. What happened to it? Oh, it's up here. You know I'm going to like that, right? A little mini ferro rod. Open up in there. And it goes in here like so. So it's got a little handle for it. A little ferro rod fire starter that goes there, which is always pretty cool. Can opener, flat screwdriver, and ferro rod striker, which is inside here. So it'll be interesting to see how, you want to see how it works? Let's just see how it works. So basically, you're going to go, maybe it's like this. Let's try it like this. Which one is the striker? It says this little saw looking thing here. If you see that little saw looking thing right there, it's a striker. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it works. Anyway, enough of that. That's the $34.95 a retail value on that. So it's the camping card. The next item in this box is, I think this is really cool. It's the Outdoor Element handled pot gripper and fuel canister recycle tool. And not only is it a pot gripper, but it also helps release excess gases and safely punctures holes in the fuel canisters for safe recycling. So that's pretty cool. And this thing has a, oh, it's also, okay, so you screw this little deal here onto the top of your isobutane handle, and then that gives you a little lever, and you can push down. It pokes holes all in it with this little tab here. So pretty cool. $14.95 value on that. And then the final item in the basic box are these SOL Firelight fuel cubes. There's 12 cubes in here, and they are professional grade fire starters. Come through, and each cube is waterproof, windproof, and able to be lit even in the worst weather. They can burn for up to 8 minutes and get 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit. So they can boil 16 ounces of water in 10 minutes. So a couple of them would do that probably, I guess. Completely smokeless and odorless and non-toxic. So pretty cool there. You know I like me some fire starter stuff, right? So that's the SOL. Good stuff, too. They make some really, really good like emergency blankets and stuff there, too. So that's everything in the basic box. The next level box for Battlebox is the advanced box. And at the advanced box, you get everything in the basic box plus some more stuff. This month, the advanced box is something I think is really cool. It is a Cali Aloha camp table. And I'm not going to put this together here, but I'm going to show you a picture of it. It's really pretty cool. It's just a little table. When this little table sets up, and you can see the picture of it right up there, right in that corner. I think that's pretty cool. Really neat. It's reasonably lightweight, and it's certainly small enough to pack up. This is probably going in the Jeep, because that gives me a way to have a little table to set up. There's so often I can use a table, just when you're camping, when you're stopping to do something, maybe you're going shooting or anything. It's $44.99, so pretty cool there. That's the advanced box. The Pro box. The Pro box has got some cool stuff in it this month. And the Pro box, again, you get everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff. This month is some cool stuff from Climate, which I think is pretty cool. They've got the Climate Pillow X inflatable pillow, and it's this big right here. And it I can just show you this because this is small enough. I can blow this one up. Climate makes some really nice stuff. If I blow this up, you'll see how big it is. But it's this big. So you want me to blow it up? Okay, I will. Let's see. My face red. So it's a little inflatable pillow for camping, whatever, and it packs up, as you saw, really small into this little pack, which is pretty cool. That is a $24.99 value. I'm gonna leave a little air in it just so you can see it. And they also has this static Climate B2. This is a full-size sleeping pad that blows up into a. Let's see if it says how big it is. 3-season sleeping pad. 1.3 R value. It's with a patch and a stuff sack, and it's got little side rails to keep you. Okay, the total. This thing is 6 feet by 23 inches wide, so it's a full size pad, 2.5 inches thick, and it weighs just 16 ounces, and it's this small. Really, really cool. I like Climate stuff. They make really good stuff. So that's everything in the Pro box. Finally, there's one more level, and that is the Pro Plus, sometimes known as the Knife of the Month Club. And this month, there's a knife in here as usual. And let me just open it up. Got to have a knife to open the knife. And I'm opening it with my Kershaw Auto, whatever, launch I think it is. I think it's a launch. I don't know. It's a cool knife. I did a video on that one already, so let's open this one up and see what this knife is. An ATAC Phantom. And the paperwork says it's time for a really nice EDC folder in the Pro Plus. And let's see what this thing does. So it's a frame lock knife. Razor sharp Japanese VG10 stainless steel blade. Gray anodized aluminum handle. Copper colored hardware. Pockets clip. And it's a, again, frame lock. Let's see how smooth this thing flips out. Okay. Much more better that time. Okay. I'm digging this, right? Might need a little adjustment on the hinge there. Okay. Probably just needs a little breaking in. Yeah. Okay. You know what we can do? put a little bit of this Breakthrough Technologies Pro HP lubricant. This is what I put on my firearms there. We just put a little dab will do you here. Let's see how well it works. Which has nothing to do with the Battlebox, but it's just worth trying. Okay. Okay. So, oh yeah, much more better. So anyway, this knife has a $109 value, and it is pretty stinking cool. So that's the Battlebox Mission 86. So what I try to do in these videos is pick out a couple of my favorite items, and sometimes it's some basic stuff, sometimes it's advanced stuff. I have to say, this month, my overall basic favorite item is this table. I haven't even opened the box yet, but I've seen these before. They're really good tables, and it's really great to have a little table that packs up this small. You can carry in behind the seat or whatever. And then, I guess if I had to go with my second favorite item, it's going to have to be this Climate sleeping pad. These are really, really good. Climate makes really good stuff. I like the sleeping pad better than the pillow, but just because it's so small and comes in so handy, and it's good stuff. So there you go. That is Battlebox Mission 86. Thanks again to the folks at Battlebox for sending me this stuff every single month for the last few years so I can show it to you. And again, you can save some money using the discount code. I think it's Survival on Purpose. It'll be in the video description. And they've changed their kind of setup there, so you can just go and buy individual things from them. If you see something, you don't have to buy the whole box, which is pretty cool because it used to be just a mystery box and you don't know what you're going to get. And now they you have the best of both worlds. If you want a mystery box, you can get a mystery box, and if you want just something out of it, you can usually buy that too. So and again, I know these things are not for everybody. I do these videos so that you can develop a resource to kind of go back and see if get examples of what you could expect if you decide to explore this. So anyway, I really appreciate it. I hope this has been interesting, and I'm glad I was able to get this one out before it's 2 months old. So thanks as always for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos like this one every week throughout the week. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos like this, sometimes throughout the week. Really appreciate your support. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.